Hey everybody, it's Trevor here with an update for the Philips Hue bridge with HomeKit adaptive lighting. Open up your Philips Hue app and then go to Settings and then Software Update, and you should see an update available with the version number 19411327070. So you go into the Home app and there'll be a little prompt to set up your lights for adaptive lighting, and then allow you to choose the light bulbs that you want to use for your adaptive lighting. So when you open up a light in the Home app, you will see this new little toggle which has a gradient, and that is for the adaptive lighting. If you selected that light in the initial setup, then it should default to that. As you can see, by increasing the brightness, it goes from being really amber to a more blue light. It is close to noonday here, so that is maxing out at that more blue hue, whereas throughout the rest of the day and closer to the evening, it will default more to an amber color. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates and reviews.